Greetings techies. In this video, we'll be discussing the most innovative. Vermeer has developed a self-propelled round baler. It features a cab positioned above the suspended front axle for a smoother ride, and the zero-radius turning technique is borrowed from lawnmowers. The cab provides the operator with an unobstructed view of the swath, not of the pickup, which is covered by the camera. Oxbow is a leading manufacturer of harvesting equipment, including a range of forage and hay harvesting machines. The company's forage harvesters and hay mergers are designed to improve the efficiency and productivity of hay and forage harvesting operations. With the help of such machines today, nuts, olives, and other fruits are harvested. These machines use a combination of shaking and suction techniques to detach the nut from the tree and transport them to the collection point. This significantly reduces the time and labor required for manual nut harvesting, while also improving the quality of the harvested nuts. Pay attention to this track system. Such systems can be installed on different combines using various adapter options. It provides a smooth ride, reliability, fuel economy, the greatest contact with the soil, and the highest throughput. With their precision and speed, modern tillage cultivators have revolutionized farming practices and made it possible to achieve higher yields with less labor. These machines use advanced technology and are designed to work in a variety of soil conditions, from hard clay to loose sand. They're highly versatile and can be adjusted to different widths and depths to suit specific crops and soil types. Valiant Sprayer is a versatile and high-performance machine that is designed to meet the needs of modern agriculture. The sprayer is equipped with the latest technologies and features, such as precision spraying and automatic boom height control. Chain trenchers are used in a variety of applications, including laying pipelines, installing underground utilities, and digging drainage ditches. They are capable of excavating trenches of various depths and widths, depending on the specific requirements of the project. The Marcrest Swing Max is an innovative solution that can help farmers save time and money when baling hay. With this system, farmers can produce twice as many bales with one less person and tractor, which can greatly reduce your labor and equipment costs. With its easy-to-use design and impressive performance, it's a great investment for any farmer or agricultural professional looking to optimize their operations. Agbot II is a robot that decides for itself how best to deal with weeds. It's equipped with advanced technologies such as GPS navigation, sensors, computer vision systems, and many others, allowing it to operate in a precise and efficient manner. If the robot comes across herbicide-resistant weeds, it can get rid of them either with a mechanical arm or a miniature burner. This is a Turtle weeding bot. Turtle controls weeds all season long with scrubbing wheels and a string trimmer. This robot is very easy to use. Just place it in the garden and press a button, and Turtle will take care of the weeds. Modern technologies are transforming agricultural work, making it easier and more enjoyable than ever. Drones have become an increasingly popular tool in modern agriculture due to their ability to provide farmers with a bird's-eye view of their crops. In addition, drones can be equipped with precision spraying technology, allowing for targeted and efficient application of pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. This not only reduces the amount of chemicals needed, but also minimizes the environmental impact of agriculture. This is Dino, mechanical weed robot of Nio Technologies. We are now watching intelligent machines that can exhibit the same cognitive and physical capabilities as a human in performing tasks throughout the crop production cycle, from seeding to harvesting. These robots possess attributes such as reasoning, perception, learning, control, and supervision. Italian company Prinoth unveiled the world's first hydrogen-powered snow groomer alongside the lightest electric snow groomer on the market. The hydrogen-powered snow groomer uses fuel cells to convert hydrogen and oxygen into electricity, which then powers the vehicle's electric motors. The vehicle produces zero emissions, with the only byproduct being water vapor. This machine is commonly used in the production of grass for sports fields, golf courses, and landscaping. This machine is also able to harvest the turf with minimal damage, ensuring that it remains in good condition for transport and use. The harvested turf is transported by conveyor belt to a storage area or processing facility. Arcuson Automatic Bale Loader AutoStack FSX is the world leader in the bale handling sector. Designed and equipped to work at high speeds, its advanced monitoring systems and safety sensors help prevent accidents and ensure that the machine operates smoothly and efficiently. It's easy to use, with intuitive controls and a user-friendly interface that make it simple to operate and customize to meet specific needs. In 2015, Carr presented the first version of the Anatis Crop Care robot, and in 2017, the model was upgraded. The autonomous robot is designed not only for mechanical tillage, but also for continuous monitoring of soil conditions and plant health, which helps the farmer to make more efficient technological decisions. The easiest way to remove the sod is to use a special Klassen cutter. Such a machine will save you hours of grueling work. They cut the turf in precise curves or straight lines. These cutters are very compact and maneuverable. The BRAC T26.B double-row disc gripper is used to work in the most difficult areas, coping with boulders and slash residues. When driving on the plot, you can choose one of the pre-programmed modes of operation, depending on changes in terrain conditions. The BRAC T26.B gives a good result on all types of soil thanks to its wide range of settings. Soil preparation with its help provides seedlings and seeds with the best conditions for survival and development, regardless of the terrain. The Grimm SC260 is a specialized potato harvester designed to efficiently and effectively harvest potatoes on a large scale. This powerful machine is built to handle tough conditions and deliver high yields with minimal waste, making it an ideal tool for commercial potato farmers. This potato harvester is also highly customizable. These include advanced monitoring systems, variable speed controls, and specialized picking heads for different potato varieties.